Hey there, the first fly of the repair drones, but we start in the section control room. Not yet finished, but don't worry, we get coffee one floor higher. Let's go. We can use the ladder, but I got feedback that I should show more of the spaceship. Thanks so much for that. Here we are, the lift connection and the port to the connection pipe. It's a bit funny. My intention was to craft few segments for the pipe, but now I have so many different objects. But now the left pipe side is complete. Nice to see progress. Back in this location, more features for the wall and a nice view to the cargo area. The lamp needs to be replaced. Maybe we should use items not so hard static, better more something that we can individually use them, like the lamps here. And that is support for the drones. With the help of the staircase, we now reach the highest place of the spaceship, level 10. Let's awake the bots, like the passage before, a dangerous place for humans, with a also nice view down. And of course the drones. I think the amount is enough. After the last station of the supply lift, another port. And after that, the repair drones get a box with some elements in another aggregation condition for repair. You see why the sections are fairly dangerous for humans? The drones fly open through the passages. I pressed the wrong button. Maybe I separate the animation in another video. That is even without materials super cool. I didn't want to overdo it with curves and other stuff, because I'll probably never use it again. But that you folks see how it works, this small animation, for the next time I plan to finish the front part of the section that includes the entire level 9 and 10 front left side, with the hull defense bots and more stuff around here. The bots look so small, and if you have nice ideas, remember you can comment or Discord me. But for now, thanks so much for watching, drop a like, a comment and press the subscribe button and see you next time.